I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your StubHub app. You go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on notification settings, you just click on it. Then it's going to, when you click on notification settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to send me weekly event recommendations, perfectly here match it. And here can you enable it for app, and here for email. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.